After losing 3 of the first 4 games in his debut as Thatcher's head football coach last year, Sean Hinton led the Eagles to a superior showing the second half of its season by sweeping the final 6 games. Now Hinton and the Eagles look to continue that dominance in the newly formed 2A East section.
We always want to improve on everything, and it's just a goal to get better every time we step foot on the field.
Do you have any certain goals that you'd like to reach this year?
We're just going to try to work as hard as we can and let the score take care of itself.
Any dates on the calendar that fans should circle to make sure to keep?
This conference and this schedule that we have, it's every week. It's going to be a battle every week.
Who do you see as your toughest foe in the conference?
Whoever we're playing that week. Conference is tough. We probably got one of the toughest conferences in 2A, and we scheduled some non-conference games that we felt like were tough opponents.
How have you been preparing for this season?
We've been preparing with a lot of hard work, a lot of hours on the field, a lot of conditioning, a lot of mental preparation on and off the field.
How are you guys looking so far going up to your first game?
I feel like we're looking good. We're always working hard, and we're always looking forward to the next week, preparing for each game.
Any team on your calendar this year that you really want to stick it to?
Not really. I feel like the team we need to be worried about is the team we're playing that week.
Nice. And what's your goals for the season?
Our goal is to be the best team we can be every single week and to try our best.
What's your favorite thing to do on the football field?
Just hit people is fun.
What are you looking forward to accomplishing this year?
Just be the best we can, really.
How are you guys looking so far?
We're intense, do the best we can every practice, every game. We just try our best. Yeah.
What do you want to say to all your fans out there?
Love you guys. Thank you for the support.
How has the practice gone so far leading up to your first game?
It's gone good. We're trying to be intense and get out here and get after each other, and it's gone pretty good. Boys are working hard.
Anybody we should be looking out for this year?
All of them.
This has been John Johnson reporting from Thatcher for Gila Valley Central.